Welcome back to Orage Technologies. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, but with a focus on beginners. Whether you are a non-technical professional curious about AI's impact or a business leader looking to leverage AI for your organization, we've got you covered with some fantastic courses. Stick around as we explore the best AI courses for beginners and business leaders. Let's get started. 1. Deep Learning.AI's AI for Everyone via Coursera. Led by the renowned Andrew Ng. This free course on Coursera covers the basics of AI's impact on business and society. It's perfect for those who want a broad introduction to AI's potential, applications, project building, and an understanding of the ethical and social aspects of AI. 2. Responsible AI, Applying AI Principles with Google Cloud. Dive into the practical aspects of responsible AI with this free Google Cloud course. While it's based on the experiences of Google Cloud engineers, the lessons are applicable beyond the platform. This course is a great foundation for building a responsible AI strategy. 3. Stanford University's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence via Audacity. Led by computer science experts Sebastian Thrun and Peter Norvig, this free course covers AI fundamentals and applications. It's a journey through machine learning, probabilistic reasoning, and advanced planning, providing historical context and showcasing AI's continuous growth across various industries. 4. Oxford Artificial Intelligence Program via SED Business School, University of Oxford. The Oxford Artificial Intelligence Program, offered by SED Business School, provides a comprehensive exploration of AI's history, functionality, capabilities, and ethical considerations. This course is costly, costing $2,748. 5. Artificial Intelligence for Business plus ChatGPT bonus via Udemy. This Udemy course is perfect with a focus on specific case studies. It explores business applications of AI. Plus, participants receive a bonus, a 100-page book, AI for Business, serving as an excellent reference guide. It costs a $94.99 subscription fee. And there you have it, a roundup of the best AI courses for beginners and business leaders. If you own a business and looking to integrate AI and machine learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Happy learning!